So how do you improve your paradiddles? Let's check out one exercise that'll allow you to level up your paradiddles. Welcome back to Drum Shift Repeat, where 8 minutes of drum practice is better than 0. So there are a ton of exercises that you can do to improve your paradiddles. But let's not get overwhelmed. Let's stay whelmed, people. For this one video, let's focus on one exercise, and that is a displaced paradiddle. So the standard paradiddle is right, left, 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 left. If you're at the beginning stages, you should practice singles, doubles, and work your way up to paradiddles. But if you want to level up your paradiddles, practicing displaced paradiddles will definitely level up your game. This one exercise is right, left, left, right, and then it repeats and repeats and repeats. So the paradiddle is still in there. There's just a note added at the beginning, so it shifts the paradiddle over one note. So you're still playing paradiddles, but it kind of makes you think differently and play differently, and it'll definitely improve your paradiddles if you practice this over time. You can find this exercise in the book Stick Control by George Lawrence Stone, page 5, exercise 8. So in this video, you can practice along with me for 8 minutes. We're going to do 120 beats per minute. There are options to slow down or speed up the video. I've actually never tried that, so let me know if that works well. If not, let me know in the comments below if you would like me to make this video at a slower tempo or at a faster tempo. Let me know if that would be helpful. So don't forget to warm up. Make sure these are free strokes. Make sure each note is flowing really well from one note to the next. Let's get started. Alright, that was 8 minutes. So how did that feel? If you like this video, check out some of our other videos where you could practice along and improve your chops. If you have an exercise you're struggling with and you want me to make a video on that, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, like and subscribe. No pressure. I'll still be here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep on drumming.